The ugly truth about silver. If you're very new to stacking silver, I want to tell you guys the real ugly truth about silver. Especially if you have a silly notion like, I'm gonna make so much money buying silver. And we're starting now. Thank you guys so much for watching another video from Urban Lifestyle. My name is Eli, and you guys can help out by leaving a subscribe, leaving a comment, leaving a thumbs up. Find me on my social media platform, Urban Lifestyle 1989, and don't forget to hit that notification icon so you guys can get future notifications of my future videos. So the question of the day is gonna be, do you guys buy silver to actually make money, or do you guys buy silver to protect your wealth? Comment down below, let me and the community know. So before I go into the ugly truth about silver, I want to let you guys know one thing. I do buy a whole bunch of silver. Just because the title of this video says the ugly truth about silver doesn't mean that silver is not a good investment or a safety measure. I'll go with that one. You guys will see why in a minute. So let's get right into it. Now, the first ugly truth about silver is hard to make money. It's very hard to make money, especially if you're going to try to make your money buying silver. I believe that if you want to make money, silver is not the place. You can go into the stock market, start your own business, invest in yourself. Old stuff gives you money, okay? Silver, it may give you money too, but it's not the way you may think it does. First, let's look at it. What do we have? We have the customers. Now, the customers are pretty much tight. If you buy silver, most of your customers are going to be people who knows about silver. If you want to make money off it, of course. It's people who knows mostly about silver, and they're going to try to lowball you. Now, the way you can actually make money buying silver is by lying to other people like, yeah, man, this is the best silver you can ever have. This is the Urban Lifestyle 1989 limited edition. You guys need to get this one. This is the only year. This is the only one that's made in this minted condition, blah, 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 blah. You guys catch the drift. You're gonna have to pretty much lie to your customers. And that just makes you lose all your credibility, and they're not gonna be repeat customers because they pretty much don't like you. They know you scammed them. Next thing is the local coin shop and the online bullion dealers. These are companies, and what is the number one thing that companies think about? They think about money. They wanna make money. So if you're trying to sell your silver back to the company, remember one thing, they're trying to make money. So they're gonna try to lowball you to resell it at a higher price. And next thing is, you have to worry about the type of silver. So if you're new to stacking, especially silver, you have to know all the types of silver there is. And there's pretty much a lot out there. I mean, when I first started stacking, I was like, we got the silver buffaloes, the American birds of prey, wildlife series, oh man, I didn't know it was that much. There's so much kinds of silver out there. There's so much type that you can just get lost within all the mix. Now, the second ugly truth about silver is spot price versus premium price. All right, spot price is practically the real value of the current silver that you hold. The premium price is the profit that the company make that's selling it to you. Now understand, the hardest thing you're gonna have to do is try to buy as much silver as you possibly can at spot price, and if not, so close to spot price or below. Now the last one is the hardest to do, but of course it can be done. Now, one thing you don't want to do is silver being around $15
at the time of this recording,
and you go and buy silver for $25 or anything above $20 for me right now. It's just like, I mean, unless it's special. I mean, I know what I'm doing sometimes. So, you know, if you see something you like and you want it, you could. But if you're going to be buying all your silver, a whole bunch of silver, and you're talking about $5 above premium, then right there, you're at a loss right now. So you always want to keep in mind what the spot price of silver is and what the premium price that the company's charging you. Around the time when I first started, around that time, it was about $15 spot price. And I actually purchased one silver that's just random. I actually found it online for $2 above spot, and it was just a regular round. And I paid 30 bucks from it, and that was from a pawn shop. So you want to stick away from pawn shops. Now, the third ugly truth about silver is all the hype you're gonna get from it. All right, you're gonna hear so much stuff like silver is going to skyrocket at this specific time. And that specific time comes and you're like, hey, you know what? They haven't even built the rocket yet. How is it gonna skyrocket? And oh man, I just want all my cash into this thing right here, and nothing happens. The next thing you're gonna hear is, oh man, you better buy silver right now because silver is so rare. It's being consumed by all these electronics, being consumed by these solar panels. Everybody and their mama and their daddy and their great Billy Bob Joe uncle is using up all the silver, so you better get it right now while you can. And then sometimes you may realize, hey, you know what? I think we have more than enough silver to go around. And last but definitely not least, a lot of people's gonna be hyping it up by saying, hey man, this is the only way you can triple, quadruple, 10 times your profit. All you gotta do is buy silver now, do this, and you'll make so much money from it. Okay, now understand one thing. Everything I just told you here, hard to make money, spot price versus premium price, even though that one is pretty much true, and all the hype that we have around silver, surrounding silver, all the hype. All this is pretty much if you're trying to buy silver for one thing, and that's to make money. All right, but if you're buying silver and you have a specific reason, like, hey, maybe, you know what, the dollar is not going to be worth the same dollar. Maybe 5, 10, 15, 20, 30 years from now, and I want to buy silver now to make sure I'm protected from inflation. See, there's a whole different mindset behind this. There's a difference between, hey, I want to buy silver so I can make money, versus, hey, I want to buy silver so I can protect money. Totally different mindset. One is you're trying to make something that pretty much has no value. You try to trade something of value for something that doesn't have value. And in the other, you want to take something that already has its value to make sure your value remains the same, if not potentially more in the future. There's a totally different mindset, and I want you guys to understand that. That is the ugly truth about silver. Why do you want to buy silver? Is it to make money? Most of you guys who's watching this video is pretty much for this side right here. You want to protect it, but there's some people out there that's like, hey, let me look, can I make money with silver? I want to make money with silver. I saw back in 2011, a lot of people made money with silver. And a lot of people who actually made money back in 2011 was already prepared for it. They started buying silver when it was at $5, and they bought silver when it was at $10, $15, and then it went up. And a lot of people did not sell their silver then. Most of them did, but a lot of people still didn't sell it. And it went back down, and they still have it, and they still believe that, hey, I don't have this for me to make money. I have this for me to protect my money. If it's for money, come on, I make money. All right. I don't want to brag on here, but yeah, I do make money, but I want to protect the money that I do have. See, when you're trying to make money, that's ugly. That's the ugly truth about silver. But when you're trying to preserve your wealth, when you're trying to protect yourself from inflation, when you're trying to have real value to your life or to your financial life, that is the beautiful truth about silver. And that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. I want to know what you guys think. Comment your thoughts down below. But guys, thank you so much for watching another video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, leave a thumbs up, comment down below, and have a wonderful day.